welcome back to Ed and Shazz Adventures. Today we're going to do what everyone dreads when they're on the road. Rocks, trucks, rocks getting thrown at your window, getting chips. Right, we've got the windshield repair kit here. Right, costs about 29 bucks at any auto shop or anything like that. Right, now we're going to have a look. I've got a chip here, if you can see. I've got a chip over here, and I've got a chip right there. Right, the little star ones, that's what you call half moon or whatever. Right, now first I've cleaned it with alcohol. The windscreen, just put it on your rag and just clean it so you can see what's happening. Now we've got the repair kit. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Right, as you can see, we've got some little O-rings here. Right, we've got a little scraper there to clean anything that's in the crack, so like loose glass or anything like that. Got a little cleaning rag. Got the syringe. They're the stickers that we put on, and that's your whatever you want to call it. I'll just have a look what they call this thing. Pedestal. So yeah, so that comes over that like that, and let's go and do it. And that's your resin. That's pretty inside. It's like a little mirror thing, so you can see the outside a bit better, and you can see what you're doing. I'm going to leave it off. I'm not even going to bother with it. So we can see on the inside when we take the air out if it bubbles or not, and then we know when it's ready to go to the next stage. Alright, let's give it a go. Right, so what we're doing now is scraping out any loose glass. As you see, there's some of them coming out. This is my first time ever doing this, so I don't know if it's going to work. Seal it down, so that's your right, remove the top layer like that. Now we just plant that on top of it. Well, it's not really straight, but it doesn't matter so long I'm on the hole. Got enough to do round about, what, 3 of them? 3 of these. Now, we get the resin. Right, as I said, we've got the resin, so put it in here, and we squeeze 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. All depends how big your crack really is, what they reckon. So then we get the syringe. Now look, the syringe has got your first layer, so when you pump it out to there, that'll suck the air out of it, out of what's in that crack, and then we're going to bring it down to there. We put air back in. So let's plunge it down, we screw it in, Put a bit of suction on it. So we lock it into place there. Right, so that's sucking the air out. Right here. And we'll give it about 10 to get them air bubbles moving. Of course you don't do it too hard. Give it a bit of a helping hand, eh? Right, here we are back again. It's been 10-15 minutes. Right, so what we do here, we unscrew it. Right, and then we'll plunge it back on there again, the syringe. Screw it in. Right, now you see that marker there? We're going to go down. Hold it in place with that marker. Now what it's doing is squeezing the liquid in. Hopefully it all works. So let's unscrew this. Right, that's off. There we go. Now, we've got the little razor. Put it under there. Mind that you don't cut yourself. Remove that. And let's remove this. Make sure you put it on an angle. You don't want to scratch your window. Or you're driving along and oh, look at that. See if we can move down. Put a little bit of that alcohol spray on, I suppose. Remove that. Get some of this resin. I might as well do this one too. A little of a drop there, a little drop there on that here. I've got another one there. Just put a little bit on that, and that's gone into the middle. And now we'll just one of them films, put that over like that, and squidgy all the air out. Use the razor. Which I said, this is the first time that I've done this. Looks pretty well. Alright. Bit of a mess, of course, but happens when it's the first time you do it. Right, now let that dry. Make sure you put that razor back in that little cover. Right, and let that dry, and this got to dry for 10 minutes, I think. Right, hope you can see this. Let's take this layer off. Oh, that's it. It's not really dry, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Right, we're at the end of it today. It didn't take 30 minutes, I could tell you that right now. It took a bit longer than that. Yeah, you do need a bit of heat around for it to dry. Took a bit longer than normal when they say it's going to be dry and you can scrape it off. What should I say? Pretty well satisfied with it. You still see a little bit of the chips. Now that I clean my windscreen, I see more and more chips on my windscreen. It cost you, say, what was it? $29.95, which is $30 for a kit. It's easy to have a kit around when that happens. It stops your cracks anyway from going any further. I went down to the windscreen repairers that do it, and I asked them how much it cost for them to do it. Them $100. So I saved $70 doing it myself, and I've done 3 cracks that I've got on the windscreen. So it would have been $300. Well, a new windscreen cost you $200, which they told me. So I wasn't going to get a new windscreen anyway, because I'm travelling the roads all the time, up and down to work, and there's a humongous amount of bloody trucks there. And yeah, it can happen any time that you've got a whole bloody window that's gone bonkers. And you get one window a year, I think, on your insurance cover. So let's have a look. This is the outcome. Still see a little bit of a leg there. Patched them up pretty well. That one went really good. That one down there. Yeah. Which I said, it's my first time. Always give it a go. If it doesn't work out, you can always claim on insurance your window if you want to. Yeah, quite satisfied with it. Looks alright actually. I'll clean it up a bit, but yep. If you like this, just, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, and I'll come out with some more hints and tips what we can do with the cars and all this sort of stuff. But there'll be one thing what you can do: buy a kit when you're on the road, even 2 if you have to. You get 3 users out of 1 kit. I think maybe 4. I see I've got an extra pad left and all that, and one of those extra films, so probably get 4 out of it. Yeah, and till the next video.